Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a super fun and colorful look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. To start off, I am going to be applying foundation. I am using the Maybelline Dream Radiant foundation here, and I am blending that in with a beauty blender. I did apply foundation to my eyelids as a primer for the eyeshadow, and then I went ahead and set my eyelids using a translucent powder before I applied my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I am using this Alamar palette. This is the Reina del Caribe Volume 1 palette. And to start off, I am applying Cocoa Taxi into my crease, and I'm just doing a complete wash all over my entire crease. And for that, I used the Alamar brush. This does not have a name on it, but I will have the name listed down below. Next, I applied Tropico from the palette, and I applied that using the Morphe M411 brush, and I just put this into the outer corner of the eye, and then I sort of blended it up into the crease very slowly. I packed on the product little by little just to build the pigment up. And then I went back and forth between the two same brushes just to make sure that the colors were married together. Next, I used the eyeshadow Celia from the same palette, and I used an Alamar Cosmetics brush for this color as well. I wanted to create a sort of cut crease look without actually cutting the crease with concealer and all of that. It was actually really easy to do with this brush, and I really liked the way this eyeshadow contrasted with what I already had laid down. And because this color was so vibrant, I just wanted to build it up little by little just to make sure I had control over it and had it looking the way I wanted to. And I just sort of brought it about 2/3 into my eye, and it sort of looks like a really harsh line right here. But you'll see next I went back in with the Morphe M411 brush and that Tropico color that we applied into the outer corner, and I sort of married the teal eyeshadow with the orange just so that they sort of blended together and there wasn't such a harsh line. And then after that, I did go back in with the original brush that I was using in the crease just to make sure everything was blended out and there was no harsh lines, just to sort of finish everything off. And then after I finished my eyeshadow, I went ahead and applied concealer. As you can see, I sort of used my concealer to clean up the eyeshadow and make it sort of crisp at the end. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I blended that in using a beauty blender. My next step after concealer is always to set the concealer. Right here I'm using a translucent powder to set all the parts that I concealed, and then I'm using a colored powder to set the rest of my face. I like to use the Rimmel London Stay Matte powders for this. And then this brush is from Crown. And to finish off the eyes, I went back in with Cocoa Taxi and Tropico from the palette. I first applied Tropico to my lash line using an Alamar flat brush, and then I like to blend that out with Cocoa Taxi, and I'm using a Luxie mini tapered brush for that. To contour, I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and and a Morphe E4, and I'm just applying that to the hollow parts of my cheeks and also to my forehead because I have a ginormous forehead and I just want it to look a little bit smaller. And then to bronze, I am using a Morphe brush and the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Deep Dark. For blush, I am using a Tarte blush in the shade Feisty, and I'm using a brush that I don't really know where it's from. I know I got it in some subscription box, so I'm sorry, I can't give you the name to that brush. And then for highlighter, I am using this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Peach. And same thing with this brush. This is a tapered highlighter brush, but I got this from some small makeup store and I have no idea what the brand is on this brush. And then I am applying that same highlighter to my inner corner using a pencil brush. For lashes, I am using my favorite lashes. These are the Ardell Wispies, and I love these lashes because the band is super thin, so they're great to use looks like this where I'm not wearing any eyeliner, so the band is easier to hide. And then after I applied my lashes, I just applied a light coat of mascara, and of course I always use the old school Maybelline Great Lash, and I applied that to my top and bottom lashes. And for lipstick, I originally was going to outline my lips using the Colourpop Slow Down lipstick, which is this one right here, and then I was going to apply the e.l.f. Cosmetics nude lipstick into the center of my lips, but as you can see here, or in the next clip, once I did that, my lips were just like way too dry for that super light lipstick, and it just kind of looked a little gross, and that's just on my bad for my lips being super dry. You can see here I was a little grossed out by that. So I took it off, and then I just went ahead and applied that Colourpop lipstick all over my entire lips. And that's it for this video, you guys. Please make sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you liked this look. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.